How to log in into Sidra Bank account online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log in into your Sidra Bank account. So make sure to stick with me till the very end. Now to log in into your Sidra Bank online account, go ahead and open a web browser and in the search bar, go ahead and type in www.mindsidra.com. After that, you will land into this website. Go ahead and click on Login with KYC port. Now in this login page, go ahead and enter your email address and also enter your password. If you happen to forgot your password, go ahead and tap on Forgot Password link over here and you can easily reset your password. If you don't have your Sidra Bank account, you can go ahead and click on Sign Up. Now, after you're done with everything, just go ahead and click on Login and then you'll be able to log into Sidra Bank account. And that's how you do it. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned till our next upload.